at that. I wish you can smell this. Oh my gosh. It smells like soil. Peace, what is up? It is Zay from Infinite Seeds Academy, and right now I'm at my home garden. First garden I've ever had autonomy over here in South Carolina. And so I'm going to be showing you guys today the compost bin. We started this compost in 2020. So let's take a look. So our compost bin, we did it in a trash can. You can do yours in a tub. You can do it in a wheelbarrow. You can do it in a rain barrel. I don't care. I've seen a lot, to be real though. But so this is what our compost looks like. Aside from the green material that you see, I just added that yesterday. All of this, I put a little bit of native soil in there, which is usually sandy around here, sandy loam. But all of this used to be vegetable scraps, food waste, all plants, because we didn't add any bones or sludge like meat and stuff. But look at that. This is rich, organic, homemade at that compost. We had a lot of brown materials. We had leaves, you know, we had grass clippings, which were greens, and a lot of plant material because it's a garden. Look at this. So this is what I'm about to tackle right now. But straight plant material. It was a coconut shell in here, like a hull of coconut. Like we put a lot in here, and this is the result. So the year is 2023 now. After about 3 years and some change, this is what you got, man. Rich, full of high microbial life, high fertility, high vitality. This is what compost looks like when you got time. When you got time. And honestly, this was very hands-off. I guess we call this ultimate dry composting because, yeah, we had some balance of, you know, brown and green, but we tried not to focus on the whole wetting aspect, and man, there are no holes in this, so there's no ventilation. Ultimate dry composting. That's what we call it. Very hands-off. Very hands-off. But I'm very pleased with the results. Very pleased. So yeah, this has been a show and tell. Show and prove, if you will, of homemade compost. Look at that. I wish you can smell this. Oh my gosh. It smells like soil. But really though, it just smells so earthy, even more so than the actual native soil. But yeah, this has been Zay from Infinite Seeds Academy, talking about compost. Like, comment, subscribe, interact. Also, happy growing. Peace.